Do you always get stuck on your sewing patterns the moment you start and you can't understand the diagrams, you don't know which line to cut? Well, maybe video instructions are for you, because they take you through from the very beginning to the bitter end, or the good end in this case, making something really truly spectacularly beautiful, and they tell you exactly what you have to do. You can see it, you can follow it, and you can be confident, and that will make it a really fun project. Frocks Frolics has over 300 videos to choose from, so you can just pick your project and go. And new to Frocks Frolics, we now have premium video instructions, so we're not leaving anything out, and you can certainly make something wonderful regardless of whether you've never sewn before or you are quite experienced. This sewing course covers everything from choosing your fabric to completing the waistcoat, and I've even thrown in a little pattern drafting bonus so you can adapt this waistcoat to make it suit a girl. And I tell you, this is absolutely beautiful. So I see you there on frocksandfrolics.com.